Hello everybody, this is George at the Volo Auto Museum again. I appreciate you stopping by for this virtual test drive. Today we have a 1950 Mercury. This thing is a thing of beauty. So as you see, the handles are shaved off, but you have door poppers on the outside. Sorry, the ugly boots. Just pop open, door opens. First thing you see, the white interior. Really nice, it goes great with the red. Just makes everything pop. Both sides have those door poppers, and on the back there is a trunk release. Let's get in here. Shut the door. Really comfortable seat. They see in a lot of these. The steering wheel's big. He calls it the lead sled. A lot of times, let's crank her up. See the features. Starts right up. Fuel gauge works, oil pressure, speedometer, radio works. There you go, water temp, setting below 150, I just brought her out. You have your volts. This one, what you need in some of these, since it is such a kind of tube compartment, even though it is comfortable, is AC. Let's see if it works. Blower kicks on. Give that a second to cool down. Has the 8-ball cigarette lighter. Seats are adjustable. Pull in here. Off the back. So I'm 5'10", 5'11", depending on what time of the day you measure me, and I'm fitting really comfortable in here. Has the power windows, up and down. Even has little spotlights for you. The lights come on and all the gauges light up. Well, actually, seeing this one, that's in a dark area, make sure that lights up. Have the wipers. Wipers go back down. Oh yeah, that's blowing nice and cold. What a plus to have. Alright, so buckle up. Get this baby for a ride. Power steering. Has drum brakes, but stops great. Clicks off automatic. Ooh, even has the tilt wheel. Love that. Speedo's going up. Sounds awesome. Drives nice and straight. Let's see how good the brakes are here. Brake stop straight. I like all the custom handles, how they all match on here. It's a great touch. The craftsmanship of the pinstripes on the inside too. Done flawless. One thing I do notice is the gas gauge bounces around a little bit. We'll have to get it up in the air, check that out in the shop. Called the lead sled, so there is some bouncing, but it's nothing too jarring or uncomfortable. Looking at all the interior, even up top, the upholstery looks real nice. Can't find flaws in it. This isn't your standard race car, but this definitely has some get up and go to it. Impressed. Chrome work around here is real nice. but mainly just the engine. Go up. And let go. Alright, these ones usually don't have the best turn-in radius, but we'll give it a shot here. Turns nice, the wheel corrects. Has a clock. I don't think it works. Been doing it for a couple minutes. Still seems to be staying still. And for how small the windows are and everything, it's great visibility still. I don't have all the blind spots that I've seen in a few of them that we've had. All in all, what a great car. I'm impressed. Coming up to the end of this virtual test drive. As always, I really want to thank you for tuning in, and do us both a favor and go on the, since you're on the YouTube channel, let's go ahead and click subscribe and turn on those notifications, and also go ahead and visit volocars.com, read Jay's write-up on this beauty, and there should be another video coming up where he takes it up there and puts it on a spin on the turntable. Thank you so much, as always. Appreciate you.